Okay, so this is the Evoque E-Tron, E-T-R-O-N. We haven't done a video on it yet, it just came in, but I wanted to show a customer who got one already, how the side comes off, the side panel to access your battery, because all of these batteries are, well, sorry, there's only the 32 amp hour lithium. It's removable. It's got two, with the same key as your ignition, you've got two locks.
Just hold that in, unlock one.
Hold it, unlock the other.
Unlock the other. Just pull it straight towards you. So these nuts go in the hole. These nuts go in that hole. This rides in that little groove. And when you twist the lock,
Twist it where they can see it.
This will hook over the top of this.
I'll just show.
So,
give me the keys.
Yeah.
So when you put the key on the outside, you're moving it like that. Oh, I don't have it in all the way. There we go. See, just like that.
Okay.
So you got to line them both up.
So yeah, just you can see.
And I had trouble with this. I needed Darren's help just to.
You can see them if you just kind of. Well, actually, it's easier to start with this one. You can watch them go in.
Yours has more.
And then.
Okay.
Mine has more video action than you see. I'm on the 40, you're on the 30.
It's a little bit finicky to get back in, but it does actually work pretty good.
Yeah, because the Gemini had like the lever, the what do you call it? The thing that came down.
Yeah.
Track that came down, and it was problematic.
It was.
So this is simpler and, you know, less moving parts, less problems. So that's how you move it. And then the batteries inside that you unplug and pull out. But that's how to get into there. Thank you very much.